Viewers, this is the grand battle for Delhi. And today the headline is that the Congress party said that Arvind Kejriwal is a fraud. His party is a fraud party. Farziwal party, I think that is the word which was mentioned. Farziwal. Yani ki it's a fraud party, a party of fraudsters. I was surprised at the language, but this is the situation. They say that he's a cheat, a Farziwal. He misleads the people. He can do anything to be in the limelight. He only wants publicity. And this is not BJP, by the way. Anmol, this is not BJP calling you names. This is Congress. It is saying that Kejriwal has demolished jhuggis, destroyed hospitals, does not have money, over promises. They are cheats. They have done nothing for the people of Delhi. Kejriwal is a Farziwal and is only wanting publicity. Anmol, I point out to you once again, would you like me to repeat what Congress has said about you? They have accused you of fraud. They have said you have only done fraud. Arnab. You are on a data collection exercise. Firstly, I want to say tonight, viewers, this is not BJP's words against AAP. This is the Congress party's words. Sitting to my right, Ramesh Sabarwal. This is his words. His words against AAP. His words against AAP. Sandeep Dixit's words. This is the way they are fighting. Can you believe it? This is the way they are fighting.
Sandeep is a candidate.
Look at the way they are fighting.
Sandeep is a
this is the reality.
Kejriwal.
This is the reality. I told you, viewers, this will happen. I said this will happen when the elections, general elections were happening. I said this India alliance is a fraud. They are just coming together conveniently, and I feel quite ashamed today at the way, the language that you are fighting with each other. Ramesh Sabarwal, ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? Why?
This is the opinion of Mr. Ajay Makhan. Personal view is that is not my party stand. We are in India alliance.
Farziwal, what is the translation of Farziwal?
No. Ajay should not have.
Farziwal means what?
Listen,
fraud.
We have some agents of BJP also in our party.
Are you calling Ajay Makhan an agent of BJP?
I'm not saying that.
I say Ajay Makhan is an agent of BJP.
I'm not taking his name.
You are saying agents of
people who don't want that India alliance should prosper.
There is no India alliance in Delhi.
No, I don't agree with Ajay Makhan's opinion, to be very frank with you. Because I contested against Kejriwal last time. I know what kind of tactics he does. I'm the most sufferer.
Kejriwal?
Yeah, that I can.
You fought against him where?
Yeah,
which assembly?
2020.
Which assembly constituency?
New Delhi, my constituency, where I took a birth. My both parents are government servant. So I did so much for that area. I know what tactics he did. Last time also he did some tactics. He brought a euphoria band from London. Then he catering the food to everybody in a park to every resident of my area. Then
Catering food.
What food? He served the food. The five-star food.
Kejriwal,
25th December to 7th of January. Same period.
For a week
continuously. 10 places in my area. Secondly,
I'm sure he doesn't have the money to give 5-star food for the entire people.
On the government fund. He misused that. And
you are saying Kejriwal misuses government fund?
Yeah. I complained to LG of Delhi at that time, Anil Bajal, because BJP was at that time, was with our party. He was in their B party at that time. Secondly, in my constituency,
don't go local. Give me a bigger picture on this. The bigger picture is that this ugly fight going on, viewers. It's so sad. It's so sad, this fight that's going on. And you people are still talking about India alliance. Why are you fooling? My question is more fundamental. Why on earth have you parties, AAP and Congress, fooled the people of India when this is what it had to end up with? It's so sad. Such misleading of the entire 1.4 billion people saying we are together, and now you people call each other cheats and frauds. I have been proven right. I was always correct, viewers, that this is what these two parties do.
I'm advising the AAP party that they should do the alliance with the Congress party for Delhi Assembly elections also.
After being called frauds?
No, this is wrong, I'm telling you. India alliance must contest the election against the BJP.
There is no India.
Because they are more fraud than these people. BJPs are more corrupt than these people. So it is in the interest of Delhi, it is in the interest of the country. We should fight together. I don't know why Mr. Kejriwal is not listening to this phenomenon. He must come. India alliance must survive in Delhi also, but Delhi Assembly election also. We should be far-sighted. We should serve the country. We should look after the country. We should not look after our own state capital. And Kejriwal also doesn't belong to that city also.
I would like to point out, Mr. Sabharwal, that your party is saying that AAP will be found in Tihar jail. And the Congress has called AAP a joker after its jibe. And 1 minute, Congress leader Pratap Singh Bajwa said to Bhagwant Mann that Kejriwal, you leave others, stop trying to make Punjab drug-free, please first ensure the de-addiction of Bhagwant Mann. Shocking. These are the words, viewers. And then they say we are India Alliance, we are united. You know, this is such a, the only fraud here is the story of opposition.
We are fighting against dictators of this country.
I think that you've let people down. I'm getting calls. Should I take some calls tonight? I'm wondering I should take some calls tonight. I think I should. I think I should let you have a say at what you're seeing live on national politics tonight. Before I come to you, Shehzad Poonawala, how does it feel, sir, to be called a fraud party by your own ally? To be called a party of cheats, a party that misguides people, a publicity-hungry party, and to be called by your own Congress party allies as a party which will be entirely found in Tihar jail soon. Anmol, I have no words. I have no words to describe what's going on. I'm sure you are also embarrassed. You have held the hand of the Congress party, been loyal to them. This is how you've been treated.
This is not the official version of my party.
Arnab, you wasted 7 minutes on discussing something which has become irrelevant in Delhi politics. I mean, it's very unproductive.
What is irrelevant? You're saying Congress is irrelevant. One minute. Let him reply.
Yeah. Congress has become irrelevant in Delhi politics, and every 5 years, people of Delhi gives a clear decision that they will go with Kaam Ki Rajniti, they will vote for Arvind Kejriwal, they will vote for Aam Aadmi Party. They have given a clear message to the BJP as well, which indulges in politics of hatred and politics of division. And people will certainly this time also choose progress over their propaganda. People will choose development over their distraction. People will choose Kaam Ki Rajniti over their Sharyantr Ki Rajniti.
एक काम तो बता दो मुझे आपने क्या किया दिल्ली के लिए?
आपने बोला irrelevant है.
आप मुझे एक काम गिना दो आज. आप मुझे एक काम गिना दो.
आप दिल्ली की जनता
आप मुझे
सवाल उठा रहे हैं.
आप मुझे गिना दो ना. आप मुझे एक काम गिना दो ना.
They are going to go at each other's throats now. I'm telling you, it's going to happen.
Mislead मत करो. ये mislead आपने Android technology का दिल्ली में बहुत misuse किया.
Just observe his body language.
Mislead मत करो.
Just talk to him.
हमें बड़े larger interest में देश के तानाशाह को
India Alliance has crumbled before your eyes tonight.
power को मत देखो.
Now he's encouraging him. He's taking him on. And now he will respond. Anmol, see, the situation is not good, Anmol.
Can I respond?
No, Anmol, you see, I'm saying tonight, I'm saying if you're watching this in Bengaluru, if you're watching this in Hyderabad, watching this in Guwahati, Dibrugarh, Tinsukia, if you're watching this in Durgapur, Jodhpur, Jabalpur, wherever you're watching this tonight, my question to you is, viewers, just think about this. You have been told that we are together to save the country. You've been told we have one enemy, public enemy number one by these people, Narendra Modi. And today they are saying, you fraud, you cheat, you irrelevant party.
This is not my party.
You mislead the people. Placard politics se kuch nahi hone wala hai. Putting this debate in a national context tonight, viewers, you're smart, you're watching the debate this evening. This is the unmissable debate between the AAP and the Congress party. मैं तो observe कर रहा हूँ, आप बोल दीजिए. मैं किसी को रोक नहीं रहा. I will not stop anyone tonight from speaking. खुलकर बात करिए. अनमोल
बोलने भी नहीं दे रहे.
हाँ बोलिए. मैं चुप रहा हूँ. मैं चुप हूँ. मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूँगा. मैं शांत हूँ. वैसे शांत तो हमेशा हूँ. But today I'm also शांत and silent.
In both languages.
In both languages tonight.
इस देश के इतिहास में जितना काम पिछले 10 साल में अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने, आम आदमी पार्टी ने करके दिखाया है, इतना आजादी के बाद से 2014 तक कोई पार्टी नहीं कर पाई पिछले 75 साल में।
इतना मिसलीड किया
1947 से 2014 तक दिल्ली में केवल
ये सिर्फ एंड्रॉइड का काम है।
24,000 क्लासरूम हुआ करते थे। पिछले 10 साल में हमने 25,000 नए क्लासरूम बनाए।
अरे कहाँ बना दिए भाई साहब? कहाँ लैंड एक्वायर करके नए स्कूल बना दिए?
से लेके 2014
क्लासरूम बना दिए।
आपको मालूम है दिल्ली में स्कूल बने कैसे?
हमने 38 नए फ्लाईओवर बनाए।
कहाँ बनाए? अरे महाराज कहाँ बनाए?
दिल्ली में 24 घंटे
कौन सा 38 फ्लाईओवर
बिजली देने का काम हमने किया। विश्व स्तरीय शिक्षा देने का काम हमने किया।
इन दिल्ली
विश्व स्तरीय स्वास्थ्य सेवाएं देने का काम।
आप पैदा ही नहीं हुए दिल्ली में, आपको मालूम ही नहीं दिल्ली कैसी थी।
ये जो
पैदा नहीं हुए से क्या?
They don't know what exactly is going on. पता ही नहीं इनको कुछ।
Are you calling Kejriwal an outsider, sir? One minute. Are you calling Kejriwal an outsider?
Definitely.
One minute. Latest now, you are calling Kejriwal an outsider.
He's an outsider for Delhi. वहाँ पैदा नहीं हुआ, वहाँ किसी स्कूल में नहीं पढ़ा, किसी कॉलेज में नहीं पढ़ा, ना कभी नौकरी करी, ना 1 रुपए का टैक्स दिया। He's an outsider. He doesn't know about Delhi. उसे मालूम ही नहीं है कि दिल्ली की सरकार लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर चलाता है। आज उसने देख लिया कि उसके डिसीजन के बावजूद, उसी कैबिनेट के डिसीजन के बावजूद डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ
Sir, this is I request you to revert to English.
दिल्ली सरकार के लोगों ने उसके
This is very unfortunate.
दिल्ली में चीफ मिनिस्टर की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है। दिल्ली के अंदर एलजी का राज है, भारत सरकार का राज है, अमित शाह का राज है, नरेंद्र मोदी का राज है, तानाशाह का राज है। ये केजरीवाल को समझ आना चाहिए। केजरीवाल अभी भी नहीं समझ पा रहे कि ये राज दिल्ली में किसका है।
Viewers, I just want to tell you this tonight as you're watching this debate. Phone calls will be opened up. We're online streaming live. And I'm coming back to you, Anmol. We have a situation tonight, viewers. Let me tell you the situation. 1 minute. Just before you respond, I want to explain the situation. You see, viewers, I have always believed.
The BJP spokesperson must tell the nation that they have government in 20 states.
Louder.
20 states.
Louder.
They have failed to provide even the basic amenities of life, which our constitution guarantees. बिजली, पानी, शिक्षा, स्वास्थ्य भी नहीं दे पाए अपने किसी राज्य में।
हमने 1947 के बाद बेसिक एबिलिटी नहीं दी। मैं कैसे यहाँ बैठ गया? अब मैं कैसे यहाँ पर बैठ गया? हम स्कूल गए, कॉलेज गए, सब कुछ कांग्रेस पार्टी के, सब कुछ कांग्रेस पार्टी ने दिया। आप कह रहे बेसिक एबिलिटी नहीं है? आपने सब कुछ दिया।
That electricity goes off during every CM speech.
बिजली जाती नहीं।
ये हाल है इनका।
कौन बता रहा आपको? बिजली जाती नहीं थी। 93 के बाद बिजली दिल्ली में जानी बंद हो गई थी।
57% सरकारी स्कूल बंद हो गए। गोवा में सारे प्राइवेट
राष्ट्रपति भवन का स्कूल
में 27
बंद हो गया दिल्ली सरकार का, केजरीवाल की कॉन्सेंसी में। और देश की आजादी के बाद डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद के नाम से दिल्ली सरकार का स्कूल राष्ट्रपति भवन के अंदर केजरीवाल ने बंद करवा दिया। भारत सरकार को वहां घुसना पड़ा। सेंट्रल स्कूल खुला है वहां पे।
ये देखिए
250 रुपए सारे कर्मचारियों को देना पड़ता है फीस के लिए।
दिल्ली के विश्व स्तरीय स्कूल,
क्या मालूम है आपको?
दिल्ली के विश्व स्तरीय स्कूल ऐसे बनाया जाता है देश का भविष्य।
ये पेंट
किया जाता है देश को मजबूत।
पहले पैसे नहीं थे, मेरे पिताजी के पास साइकिल थी, आज मेरे पिताजी के पास मारुति कार है। देश आजाद हुआ था। दिल्ली में स्कूल कैसे बने मैं समझाता हूं आपको कैसे बने। हमने लैंड एक्वायर किए, टेंटों में स्कूल खोले, बच्चे लाए, टीचर लाए, किसानों को मुआवजा दिया। आज आपने उसको पेंट कर दिया। ये आप कहते हैं कोई एक नया, पहले आप घर बनाएंगे बाद में फर्नीचर खरीदेंगे, कि पहले फर्नीचर लाएंगे और घर बनाएंगे? अरे बंद करो, एंड्रॉइड टेक्नोलॉजी आ गई, इसको बेवकूफ बनाते हो पूरे भारत को। बंद कर दो।
Samsung. Sir, one minute. Just one point tonight here, please. One point. The question that I need to answer is this. Just give me a moment here, please, because I'm getting a lot of messages on my phone as well. Just a couple of points. The point is, Anmol, I'll say this to you. See, sir, it is ugly. Whatever is happening today is ugly. I'm sure you'll agree with me.
डिबेट अगर आपको ऐसा है ना, डिबेट अगर आपको करना है तो डिबेट की तरह कीजिए। अगर आप मुझे अनइंटरप्टेड बोलने का मौका देंगे तभी मैं बात रखूंगा अपनी, अदरवाइज यहाँ पे सर्कस करने नहीं आए हम कि वो पीछे से बोल रहे हैं, आप उन्हें रोक नहीं रहे। अब थोड़ी देर में आप भाजपा के प्रवक्ता को अनइंटरप्टेड समय देंगे।
कांग्रेस से सर्कस, ओह गॉड, बोलना सर्कस है, सच बोलना सर्कस कहते हो आप? अरे भाई साहब, राष्ट्रपति भवन का स्कूल, अच्छा एक मिनट, प्रेसिडेंट स्टेट किसी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में आता है,
सर करके जोकर आप
राष्ट्रपति भवन का स्कूल जोकर नहीं हुआ? जोकर 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 कह लो भैया, कोई बात नहीं, हम तो सच बोलेंगे। हम देश के लिए पैदा हुए, देश के लिए मरेंगे, और अपने दिल्ली राज्य के अंदर पैदा हुए, दिल्ली राज्य के लिए मरेंगे, सच्चाई बोलेंगे हम। आप बताएं, राष्ट्रपति भवन का स्कूल बंद हुआ या नहीं हुआ? दिल्ली सरकार का स्कूल था, आज केंद्र सरकार को वहां सेंट्रल स्कूल खोलना पड़ा। डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद के नाम से स्कूल था, फीस माफ थी दिल्ली सरकार की, आज 250 रुपए पेरेंट्स को देने पड़ते हैं। राष्ट्रपति भवन जाके पूछो, 5000 कर्मचारियों का क्या बच्चों का हाल है। ये केजरीवाल की कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी है जहां पर उसने ये काम किया।
Unexpected situation has developed in Delhi. An unexpected situation has erupted in Delhi, and you are watching it live on the debate this evening.
May I come in?
Where I'm coming into you, where there is a very, very unstoppable and very ugly war that has broken out between the Congress and the Aadmi party. I sometimes find it hard to believe that these things happen. But I say to you viewers, 6 months back I said this will happen. Yeah. And they all were at my throats. Yeah. Saying, Arnab, you are political, you are biased, you're a right-winger, you're a BJP supporter. I said nothing, I said the reality. I took the language to cheat, fraud. Joker. Circus, irrelevant. All this is happening on live television.
Still we are one. In the interest of the nation.
How are you one?
In the nation interest. तानाशाह से बचाना है.
After calling each other cheats and frauds
से बचाना है. गवर्नमेंट टैक्स से बचाना है.
नहीं, आपने एक दूसरे
महंगाई से बचाना है.
You called each other cheats and frauds, and still you are one.
May I now please come in 20?
How you are not one? Shehzad is on the debate. He wants to.
अगर आपकी अनुमति
save the country is more important.
Just 1 minute, viewers.
अगर आपकी अनुमति
1 minute, viewers. This is a very unfortunate situation. First, let me say this. I didn't expect this. आपने कहा था एक थी कांग्रेस, ठीक है? Then Congress said that Bhagwant Mann is a drug addict.
Oh God.
Yeah, and they said that he should be taken to a de-addiction camp, something like that. He said first ensure the de-addiction of Bhagwant Mann. Comment made by
who said this?
Pratap Singh Bajwa.
Who?
September last year.
Yeah.
Pratap Singh Bajwa is a tall leader of Congress.
He's a Congress legislative party leader.
Oh.
Then Congress said AAP is a joker. And Congress, Sandeep Dixit said AAP will be found in Tihar jail. I don't know the addiction. This is
I'm sure Congress knows.
I have no inside information on it.
They have said de-addict karo.
No, my question is what is going on now? ये फोटो दिखा के कुछ नहीं होगा.
ये मुंह छिपा रहे सर, he is not showing photo, he is hiding his face.
Who's मुंह छिपाएं?
अरे वो आम आदमी पार्टी मुंह छिपा रहे हैं कांग्रेस की गालियां.
Okay, BJP is coming into the debate
now
on the 28th minute of the debate. Ladies and gentlemen, should I know he's looking like the cat who licked the cream.
Scheme of education loan. पूछो कितने बच्चों को
थोड़ा समय हमको भी दे दो.
देश को तुम्हारी सच्चाई दिखा रहे हैं. तुम्हारे नेता जो है ना वो रिश्वत दे रहे हैं लोगों को. कहाँ गई तुम्हारी ईडी सीबीआई?
चलिए.
Listen to him and then no, 1 minute, louder. I'm coming to you.
27
Volume.
1100 रुपए बांट रहे हो. जमानत जब्त होगी इस बार तुम्हारी.
चलिए, हो गया.
जमानत जब्त
होगी तुम्हारी इस बार.
आप now turns towards BJP and says जमानत जब्त होगी.
हमें जवाब दे दो.
So what he's saying to you.
20 राज्यों में मूलभूत सुविधाएं क्यों नहीं दे पाए?
You see, Anmol, I'll tell you one. Anmol.
20 राज्यों में मूलभूत सुविधाएं.
I will.
Very patient.
बहुत बड़ी पार्टी है ना तुम्हारी. बहुत बड़ी पार्टी है. राष्ट्रीय पार्टी है. विश्व की सबसे बड़ी पार्टी है.
He says he will bring you down to earth.
अनुच्छेद 21 का पालन नहीं कर पा रही.
Now, please, or now just making it, elongating it, and the time of the debate will be over. 28 minutes he has spoken.
Okay, Anmol, you had the full run in the first 20 minutes.
Thank you. Now, please.
Shehzad wants to come in.
First of
he
all,
was in a good mood. Suddenly, last 2 minutes, he's not in a good mood.
No, I'm only perturbed because you're not allowing me to speak, which I like to do. Because, like you, even I don't like my silence. Now, please, may I speak? In both languages, I don't like my silence.
It's a terrible fight. I didn't expect this fight.
No.
Yes.
Look, first of all, I don't have any. I have sympathy for Romesh ji if he's using the kind of language he has used today, simply because, you know what Aam Aadmi Party called Sonia Gandhi? Listen.
तो ऐसी भी अगर तुमसे जांच नहीं होती तो जांच करानी है. सोनिया गांधी को गिरफ्तार करो. 2 दिन उसका इंटेरोगेशन.
Now see, if Arvind Kejriwal has said this, he has said Sonia is corrupt, Rahul is corrupt. One second, sir, I don't interrupt. Sir, I don't interrupt.
Sir, not fair, not fair, not fair. Sabaralji, not fair. Sabaralji, not fair now. Let him complete.
After they have said that I will put Sheila Dikshit in jail, after all this language, if Romesh ji says that Mr. Kejriwal is an outsider, he is an outsider. If he says that kitne school banaye, he is legitimate reason to ask, because they say he said 25,000 classroom बनाए. अरे ट्रेन लगानी थी तो आपने बोगी बढ़ा दी. What logic is this? आपने बोला था 500 नए स्कूल, कितने नए स्कूल बने भाई जरा बता दीजिए. आपने बोला था 20 नए अस्पताल, कितने नए अस्पताल बने नाम के साथ बता दीजिए. आपने बोला 20 नई यूनिवर्सिटी, नाम के साथ बता दीजिए नई यूनिवर्सिटी. He said 38 flyovers have been made. I challenge Mr. Anmol, 10 flyover के नाम दे दो. 10 flyover के नाम. आपने बोला 10, 1 second sir. 10 lakh jobs, how many jobs? 3,200 jobs. Pollution मुक्त दिल्ली बनाएंगे, pollution युक्त कर दिया. आपने बोला यमुना को 2025 तक साफ करेंगे, यमुना को साफ नहीं किया. अब आते हैं कांग्रेस और आम आदमी पार्टी के रिश्ते पर. Now please 20 seconds more. India Alliance has no mission, no vision. It has only confusion, ambition and politics of division. Please. In Punjab it was हम आपके है कौन. In Delhi a few months ago it was हम साथ साथ है. Now it has become अकेले हम अकेले तुम. I want to ask Romesh ji only 2 or 3 points. And Romesh ji, you said that BJP के कुछ agent Congress में. अरे Mr. Anmol, why are you answering for Congress? Please sir. Mr. Romesh ji, who's a senior Congress leader, AICC member, said, Sir Arnab ji, please, is this only job to hide his face and interrupt?
No, you have some personal fight going on between both of you.
No, I have no personal fight.
Some fight is going on between Anmol and you.
You want to break my flow. You don't want my...
I don't want to break your flow. I don't want to break anyone's flow. Why should I break anyone's flow? Being free flow, full flow, who's stopping you? Any kind of flow.
Thank you. Now,
I'm not stopping anyone's flow.
Now, can I please... Only the flow of alcohol and liquor was done by them. I am doing flow of facts. Now let me flow of facts.
Did you call him an alcoholic?
No, I said flow of alcohol was done by them in Delhi. And I did not call alcoholic. Mr. Bajwa called Mr. Bhagwant Mann an addicted person. I have not called. I never say such things. Now please let me complete. I am talking to Mr. Romesh ji. Romesh ji said that BJP...
Romesh ji, look at him, please.
Look what you said.
Arey bhai, Anmol ji,
let him speak. He's speaking to Romesh. Anmol, wait. Anmol, wait. Put it down. Put it down, yaar. Put it down, Anmol. Put it down. I'll come back to you. Ye kya ho raha hai?
Arey, ye apart from my old doctor...
Anmol, put it down.
चलिए हाँ very good आप वही सुनाओ. You please एक काम करो स्क्रीन लगाओ LED का और सब जगह दिखाओ मेरा वीडियो. Now please can I
he's aggravating you. He's antagonizing.
But it's not aggravating, it's disturbing. I'm not aggravated, I'm disturbed. People are messaging me, they can't hear me. Can you please allow me to speak? Arnab, can I?
He has to stop that, no?
But you can take him off air.
Can you stop it for a while? Anmol, this is very disturbing. Please.
If it's relevant, please play it. But if it's not relevant, why?
Thank you, Anmol. Thank you for cooperating.
Thank you. Mr. Romesh Sabharwal said that there are many agents of BJP inside the Congress who attack the AAP, and the AAP Congress unity is there to stay. I want to ask Romesh ji with all humility, sir, please don't interrupt me. Pawan Kheda, we started the liquor scam. Aam Aadmi Party is corrupt. Supriya Shrinet, आप दारू बेच रहे थे जब कोविड में जरूरत थी ऑक्सीजन की. देवेंद्र यादव, ये 3C, आम आदमी पार्टी is a 3C, not that C. 3C meaning corruption, cheating and commission. Don't think of any other C. 3C पार्टी है. संदीप दीक्षित ये फ्रॉड पार्टी है. अजय माकन ये 150 करोड़ का शीश महल बनाया. सर, इज अजय माकन, पवन खेड़ा, संदीप दीक्षित, देवेंद्र यादव एंड सुप्रिया श्रीनेत बीजेपी एजेंट?
अलायंस किया था.
हाँ.
ये
स्टेटमेंट
भाई सबसे बड़े वाले सी तो आप ही.
अरे आप सी से क्यों घबरा गए?
Please calm down.
C for commission. C for cash. C for corruption.
मेरी पार्टी की एक बहुत छोटे लीडर. हाँ, मेरी
पवन खेड़ा छोटा, अजय माकन छोटा, देवेंद्र यादव छोटा.
बहुत छोटे हैं लोग.
अच्छा,
मेरी बात
आपसे छोटे.
हाँ, सुन लीजिए ना, पहले सुन लीजिए.
So you're saying
Anmol रुक जाओ. Wait, Anmol. Wait.
सोनिया गांधी है, राहुल गांधी है. मेरी पार्टी के लीडर कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट खड़गे जी है. जब CWC ने फैसला किया कि हम इंडिया अलायंस बनाएंगे पूरे देश के हित में.
Romesh, can I ask you one question?
मेरी बात सुनिए.
I agree with you, Sonia is the best leader. I agree with you. 5 seconds. So Arvind Kejriwal said he will send Sonia to jail.
वो पहले बोला था.
So you are accepting it now?
पहले बोल.
So is he right?
Sir,
was he right or was he wrong?
He was wrong.
He was wrong. Tell him. Mr. Arnab, were you wrong? 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 Mr. Arnab, were you wrong on Sonia?
Anmol, listen to this.
ये इसके अलावा ये इनके पास कुछ बचा ही नहीं है. ये केवल वीडियो ही दिखाते रहे. ये आपका AI वीडियो बन चुका है. आपका ही वीडियो बन चुका है। क्या वीडियो दिखा रहे हैं आप? वो वीडियो दिखाइए जो 38 फ्लाईओवर के हैं। आप वो वीडियो दिखाइए कि 500 नए स्कूल कहाँ हैं। आप वो वीडियो दिखाइए 24 नए अस्पताल कहाँ हैं। रोहित जी, एक चीज में आप साथ में हमारे 38 नए फ्लाईओवर कहाँ बने दिल्ली में? 38 फ्लाईओवर्स इन दिल्ली। इज दिस गाय रियल?
दिल्ली से जमीन खिसक गई दिल्ली से।
38 फ्लाईओवर्स का नाम बता दो।
कुछ कर नहीं पाए।
38 फ्लाईओवर्स का नाम बता दो।
एक बता दो।
38 फ्लाईओवर्स नहीं, वो केंद्र के गिनवा देंगे। ये बेशरम लोग हैं।
बनाया नहीं केंद्र का भी
नहीं, 16 को आप फ्लाईओवर बनाए। क्या बोल रहे हैं सर? आई कैन मेक यू।
कौन सा बना?
बहुत बना।
नहीं बना सर एक भी।
एक सेकंड,
30 राज्यों में
प्लीज टेल अस द 38 फ्लाईओवर्स। अनमोल आप 38 फ्लाईओवर का नाम ले लो, मैं डिबेट छोड़ दूंगा।
सतीश,
अनमोल जी 38 फ्लाईओवर का नाम ले लो, मैं डिबेट छोड़ दूंगा।
let him come back. Satish K. Singh, one minute. I have senior journalist Satish K. Singh, who's been sitting quietly for a while. Satish, what the hell is going on, man? Satish ji, 1 minute. Yeah, can you guys? What is going on here? I'm confused. These two people. No, what happened to the India Alliance? Satish, what's going on here?
Like the flyover.
Satish, where is the India Alliance evaporating? It's evaporating on my program.
No.
It's gone. Over.
INDIA alliance was never in existence. INDI didn't get out.
The alliance
So
didn't exist.
that's a fact. But अर्नब, एक क्वेश्चन है, अभी जो शहजाद का ये पुराना वीडियो निकाल लीजिए जब वो कांग्रेस में था। जब शहजाद कांग्रेस में थे तब वो क्या बोलते थे? और नीतीश कुमार और चंद्रबाबू नायडू एक साल पहले क्या बोलते थे? मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि जितना कांग्रेस यहाँ मजबूत होगी दिल्ली में, उतना बीजेपी को फायदा होगा। और कौन किसके साथ, हु इज विथ whom, आई डोंट नो। दिस इज अ मिस्ट्री इन दिल्ली। Who is helping whom?
Oh, you're saying Congress is helping us?
Exactly what I see.
Satish ji is saying Congress is helping us. Congress? You're helping us?
Maybe.
सर आप पार्टी को तानाशाह की इंस्ट्रक्शन है अलायंस नहीं करना।
I'll have to open up lines tonight. Before I open up the lines, I wish to plead guilty. I wish to plead guilty tonight, Ramesh Sabharwal, because it was because of my open support to India against corruption. My open support to India against corruption, that Aam Aadmi Party came into being. Though I said very clearly, I don't support Kejriwal's formation of a political party, but many people say, Arnab, because of you supported these people, they've entered politics. They may have used me to enter public life. I never supported their entry into politics. Having said that, Anmol, I want to ask you 2 rapid-fire questions with your permission, please. May I? May I ask you 2 rapid-fire questions, Mr. Anmol Pawar, please? Anmol, you can hear me? You can? Can you just say yes?
Yes, I can hear you.
Thank you, louder. Okay. Anmol.
I can hear you.
Anmol, please hear me. In 2014, after forming the government in Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal had initiated an inquiry against the previous Congress government and had said, I am studying the CWG files and the Delhi Jal Board files. We have set up an anti-corruption branch. I can promise the people of Delhi I will not spare the corrupt Congress party. What happened to that investigation?
He'll blame it on Modi.
Let him answer for himself. Let him answer for
himself. 3, 2, 1.
He's answering. Keep quiet.
Can I respond? Can I respond?
Quiet.
Blame BJP.
Quiet.
ऐसा है ना,
Blame BJP.
Quiet.
Don't
do that. I get irritated. Please, 1 minute. Let him reply.
भाजपा वाले जोकर को चुप कराओ पहले.
1 minute. Don't call anyone a joker.
It's okay.
Don't call him a joker.
No problem. You call me a joker. You call a Muslim a joker. You call a Pasmanda a joker. You call my community a joker. You call
He's not called your
No, he's
community.
called. No problem. He called Parvesh Sharma son of a Jat terrorist. They've called him a Deshdrohi. Jat हमारे लिए आतंकवादी है, Deshdrohi है.
1 minute. Can I go back to my question, please? Can I go back to my question
कि इस पवन ने मुझे जोकर बुलाया है. बुला दो. हमें बुलाओ जोकर.
Can I respond?
Okay, let him reply now. Shehzad,
तुम्हारी हरकतें ऐसी हैं. तुम्हारी हरकतें ऐसी हैं.
Shehzad, come on, yeah, don't. Shehzad, it's not a about you people and your personal fight.
कभी मैं तिहाड़
Let him reply for God. No, don't look here and please now. Yeah. Now what
तड़ी पार तो है ना, तुम्हारा मुखिया तड़ी पार तो रहा है ना, उससे प्रेरणा लो, तुम भी जाओगे।
अरे सर कंडीशनल बेल पर आए हैं, सर जी कंडीशनल बेल पर है, सर जी can't even become CM, सर जी on conditional bail,
अनमोल लाउडा, शहजाद यू
साहब की किडनी भी लेके आते क्या, बेल ही तो दे सकते थे जज साहब अभी।
सर जी का टॉयलेट टोटो का
और क्या दे सकते हैं बताओ, और क्या दिलवाओगे?
कंडीशनल बेल पे हैं आपके नेताजी,
मतलब बिल्कुल।
सर आप बोलिए ना।
Can I respond, Arnab?
Yeah, my question was, what happened to the investigation that Kejriwal had initiated against the Congress? He said, I will not spare this party for its Jalboard scam and a CWP scam. What did he do?
Arnab, you're a senior journalist. You know that ACB was taken over by the central government. Yes or no? You may tell your viewers. They can fact check. They can fact check on Google right now.
Under the
BJP took over the ACB. Now they must. It is for
पंजाब पुलिस से करवाते कार्रवाई। पंजाब में क्या हुआ? पंजाब में भी करप्शन केस फाइल होता है। पंजाब में भी करप्शन केस फाइल होता है।
तुम्हारे हाथ बंधे हुए थे।
करप्शन केस फाइल होता है।
तुम्हारे हाथ बंधे हुए थे क्या? तुम्हारे हाथ बंधे हुए थे।
बग्गा को पकड़।
तुम्हारे हाथ बांध रखे थे किसी ने? केंद्र सरकार ने हाथ बांध लिए थे तुम्हारे भ्रष्टाचारियों को गोदी में बिठा।
I'm opening up the calls tonight. It's a very ugly scene. Colonel Krishnamurthy, you see, the debate on Delhi is not a debate restricted to Delhi. I am happy to say tonight that looking at the nature of phone calls received on the program, and I'm happy to inform you on streaming audiences, we are 5 times bigger than any English news channel right now. Thousands are streaming in. And Anmol, I hope all of you will open up to questions from our viewers. Colonel Krishnamurthy is calling in from Chennai on this interesting debate. Colonel Krishnamurthy, your point, please.
Yeah. Say, Mr. Arnab, how are you?
I'm very well, sir. Always well.
Yeah. See, my point. Let Mr. Anmol keep quiet. Let me speak something. So, Mr. Anmol, today is happened to be your anniversary day of Aadmi Party. It was officially formed on 26 November 2012. Now, एक तो ये सालगिरह मजेदार होना चाहिए, आप मजाकदार बना दिया. The way you put up the facts, I don't know whether it is existing on ground or not. It is purely notion. आपने इतना कैमरा लगा दिया, इतना स्कूल बना दिया, इतना वो बना दिया, इतना ये बना दिया. Let me, Mr. Arnab, don't interrupt me. Let me put my views across. एक बार मुझे दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट से कैंटोनमेंट जाने का मौका मिला. एक टैक्सी वाला से बात कर रहा था. लिकर स्कैम के ऊपर एक टैक्सी वाला जो है धज्जियां उड़ा रहा था इनका.
I take your point, Colonel Krishnamurthy. I can't take a very long intervention right now because Sanjeev Nair is calling in from Gurugram. Sanjeev, what do you think?
Yeah. नमस्कार अर्नब जी.
नमस्कार.
मैं गुड़गांव से संजीव नायर. मेरा एक बड़ा छोटा सा प्रश्न है आम आदमी पार्टी से. जब अरविंद केजरीवाल के ऊपर सुप्रीम कोर्ट से ऑफिस में जाने का बैन है, तो वो किस तरह से ये जो स्कीम इन्होंने ये स्टार्ट करने की बात कर रहे हैं उसका वो साइन करेंगे यदि वो जीत भी जाते हैं तो?
Anmol, would you like to answer that? He's saying he's promised the scheme. How can he implement it? How can Kejriwal implement it when he's banned from official duties?
He can't be.
Just one. Yeah, Anmol.
Can I respond?
Yes.
BJP. Yeah. See, the law of the land says that one constitutional authority cannot curtail the powers of another constitutional authority. So there's no restriction on Arvind Kejriwal to run the government. It is only that he resigned from the post. He left the house just because he wants the certificate of innocence from the people. जनता की अदालत से ईमानदारी का सर्टिफिकेट लेने के लिए उन्होंने इस्तीफा दिया है.
The list of Arvind Kejriwal on 31st July, Arvind Kejriwal made a list of corrupt people And that list included Rahul Gandhi, Chidambaram, Sushil Kumar Shinde, Virappa Moily, Salman Khurshid, Kapil Sibal and Kamal Nath. Does he still agree, hold this view? And Anmol, my next question to you is, Kejriwal said that Bhupinder Hooda is a dalal who gave public land to Robert Vadra. Does he still think so? Kejriwal said when he became a politician that Bhupinder Hooda is a dalal who gave public land to Robert Vadra. Does he still hold that view? Does he still hold that view?
He was the B party.
I am not asking you, sir. I am asking him.
Arnab, because Arvind Kejriwal also said that if you want to uplift the nation, if you want to uplift the society, if you want to uplift the family, then education is the only means.
Sir, I'm asking you a question on corruption. You are giving me an answer on air pollution.
Care facilities. It's like Arvind Kejriwal also said that people of this country deserves 24/7 electricity and water, the basic amenities of life.
No. My question is, Anmol, listen now. One minute. Mr. Sabharwal, look into the camera tonight and admit that you led the people of the country down when you looked at the AAP in the eye and promised unity. Sir, did you mislead the people of the country? End of the India alliance, sir, yes or no?
No, never. Never. We are one.
You think
we have to fight against Britishers. Who are the Britishers in this country who divide the country on religion lines? Mr. Modi. Dictator.
Mr. Modi is a Britisher. Sonia Gandhi is what? Sonia Gandhi is born in India. Sonia Gandhi is born in India and Modi is a Britisher. ये कहाँ से आ जाते हैं भाई?
सोनिया गांधी जोड़ती है, बॉन्डिंग करती है. आप लोग तोड़ते हो देश को.
क्या जोड़ रही थी? भ्रष्टाचारियों को.
अरे तुम तोड़ते हो. भ्रष्टाचारी हो.
You have to calm him down. You need a paramedic. पिछली डिबेट से पैरामेडिक को बुला लो. अच्छा, 20 seconds में please 20 seconds. Please 20 seconds is all I need.
वालों ने चोरी कर रखा है, मुलायम सिंह यादव ने चोरी कर रखा है, मायावती ने चोरी कर रखा है, सबने चोरी कर रखा है.
अरे वो तो सारी बातें हैं. He was your B party at that time. He was playing in your hand. बेचारा मार रहे उसको.
अरे भाई इतना भड़क रहे हो. रुक जाओ. This is first of all, Mr. Kejriwal, has he changed his view on Mulayam Singh Yadav, Sonia Gandhi?
मुलायम जी ऊपर चले गए.
अरे सर, अरे ऐसे मत बात कीजिए. अनमोल जी, आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ, इस सोनिया गांधी करप्ट yes or no? इस सोनिया गांधी करप्ट yes or no? अरे देखो, अरे वीडियो निकालो. शहजाद का कोई वीडियो निकाले भाई कोई वीडियो. शहजाद का वीडियो निकालो. अनमोल जी वीडियो निकालो. सोनिया गांधी करप्ट yes or no?
अरे सुनो तो पहले बात सुनो. बात सुनो पहले. आप बताओ ना, आपकी पार्टी में जो हिमंत बिस्व शर्मा है वो करप्ट है या नहीं? हिमंत बिस्व शर्मा करप्ट है या नहीं?
कोर्ट से क्लीन चिट नहीं है.
मशीन में तो करप्ट नहीं है.
जो मोदी जी की गोदी में बैठे हैं वो करप्ट है या नहीं?
लालू प्रसाद कन्विक्टेड है, करप्ट है
ना? है, निकालो मोदी जी का वीडियो निकालो.
देखो ये अनमोल सोनिया गांधी को करप्ट नहीं बोल पाता.
निकालो पुराना वीडियो.
ये अनमोल लालू को करप्ट नहीं बोल पाता ना. ये अनमोल अखिलेश को करप्ट नहीं बोल पाता.
वीडियो निकालो ना.
आरजेडी को करप्ट नहीं बोल पाता.
वीडियो निकालो.
ये शरद पवार को करप्ट नहीं बोल पाता. ये लोग लिस्ट लेकर घूमते थे. लिस्ट
नवीन जिंदल को तुम चुनाव लड़ाते हो. निकालो वो भी मोदी जी का वीडियो होगा तुम्हारे पास.
क्या बोले,
बताओ
से कहाँ कितना बदल गया.
अपनी वजीयत कराना बंद करो. लोगों ने तुम्हें जमीन में मिला दिया. दिल्ली में
शीश महल तक कितना बदल गया.
दिल्ली में तुम्हें जमीन में धसा दिया लोगों ने.
कितना बदल गया
लोगों ने. तुम्हें
कितना बदल गया.
जमीन खिसक गई दिल्ली में.
एक्सेप्ट फॉर
तुम्हें 5 सीट मिली थी दिल्ली वालों ने पिछले 10 साल में. तुम्हारे जो 56 इंच का सीना है ना तुम्हारे मोदी जी का,
के अंकल की तरह कोस रहे हो मुझे. कोई सब्सटेंस भी है आपके पास कभी कुछ? सोनिया गांधी करप्ट है या नहीं? बोलो. रॉबर्ट वाड्रा करप्ट है या नहीं?
दिखाओ ना, तुम वीडियो दिखाओ मोदी जी का. तुम बोलो ना. अजीत पवार करप्ट है या नहीं है? बोलो. हिमंत बिस्व शर्मा करप्ट है या नहीं है? बोलो. नवीन जिंदल करप्ट है या नहीं है? बोलो. नहीं, तुम्हारे नेता तो कहते हैं बंगारू लक्ष्मण की पार्टी. तुम्हारे प्रेसिडेंट बंगारू लक्ष्मण दलाली में अरेस्ट हुए थे. दलाली में अरेस्ट हुए थे.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is a very ugly situation tonight. It's a very strange debate. As we come to the end of the debate, ladies and gentlemen, let's record and summarize the key takeaways with note assist using Galaxy AI on Samsung Z Fold 6. The bitter war of words between the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party shows the extent of the rift between the two allies. It was not a lone attack from branding Kejriwal as Farziwal or a fraud king and then calling his scheme an electoral strategy for data collection. The Congress has gone no holds barred against its Indi ally, while the BJP watches from the sidelines whether they can capitalize on this rift in state elections like they did in the Lok Sabha. It remains a big question. Ladies and gentlemen, keep tracking the news here on Republic. It's been a pleasure bringing the news to you tonight. And there you have it, the precise reading of the news in a simpler format, using live on Republic Galaxy AI on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6.